right, friends, we're back and we got a 2015 Nissan Pathfinder. This is an SL trim package, factory leather, third row seat, navigation, backup cam, bird's eye view cam, trailer tow pack, power rear gates, heated seats in the front, heated seats in the second row. Nice Pathfinder, folks. Check out the body on this car. Couple owners, tons of dealer service, and she's like new inside and out, folks. Four-wheel drive on the switch, guaranteed credit approval in full effect here. Starting down payment $995, guaranteed credit approval, easy terms. 2 current paycheck stubs, possible bank statement, 1 hour of your time. DasCleveland.com.